Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Trunovec, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back, guys. So guys, in today's video I want to do a DIY hair shampoo. Okay, I'm going to be using a black soap for this. This is the black soap I'm using to do a shoe. Yes, this is one I'm going to be using for our base. Okay, I'm using star anise, and I'm also going to be using cloves and essential oils and my oils I use on my hair. So guys, if this is one of the videos you like and you've seen other of my videos and something you are interested in, please don't forget to subscribe, turn up your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and don't forget to like and comment and share. So guys, let's get this process started. So guys, this is what our soap looks like. I am going to grate it. Okay, it comes in a solid form like this, so I need it to be in a liquid form. So I'm going to grate it with my grater. After grating it, I will add hot water to it and I will leave this to soak for like 3 hours. All right, so guys, black soap is very good for your hair. All right, it's a good way to clarify your scalp. Okay, it helps to allow vitamins, iron and other essential oils to penetrate your scalp. It promotes hair growth, like it increases the blood circulation of your hair. So this is the benefit. All right, and I'm also going to be adding clove to this. I'm going to soak this clove in a different, soak it differently. You could soak them together depending on how you want to do it, but me, I decided to just soak it separately. So I'll be adding 1 teaspoon, and these are the benefits of clove. Clove promotes hair growth, it adds hair shines, it treats dandruff. You get. I'm also adding this star anise. These are the benefits. All right, it helps to repair your hair damage. It circulates new hair growth. So I'm adding hot water to this, and I'm going to leave it to soak for also 3 hours. So after 3 hours, I'll mix all our goodies together. Yes, so this is what my black soap looks like right now. I'm going to turn it so that there will not be lumps on it, to make sure there's no lumps on it. Okay guys, after turning this, I'm going to mix our clove and star anise together. I'm going to mix them together, and I will add my essential oils. Like I'm going to be adding peppermint inside this. I'm going to be adding tea tree, which these are also good for new hair growth. I'm also going to be adding 5 drops of this, of the 2 essential oil I'm putting in this. I'm adding 5 drops of peppermint. I'm adding 5 drops of tea tree. All right, I'm going to be using my ginger and garlic, ginger and cloves. Then I'm also adding other of my oils I mixed together, those 2 teaspoons of it. I'm also going to be adding olive oil. So guys, you can add any oil of your choice. It just depends on what you have in your house. You can add, or if you don't have any oil, you can just do this and your hair will grow like crazy. Like guys, I saw result when I tried this on my hair. All right, so I'm going to mix all this together. Then I will transfer this in my container where I store my shampoo. All right, then after transferring it, I'll show you guys how I wash my hair as when I'm doing my wash day routine. Okay, this is our soap. All the whole goodies and nutrients are inside. If you want to store this, you can store this in your fridge. If you don't have a fridge, you can store it normal way you store your shampoo. It's not going to get bad, but I advise you store this in your fridge because I just store it in my fridge anyway. All right guys, so I'm going to show you guys how I wash my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done that. All right, so this is me trying to wash my hair. My hair is all frizzed out and it was due for washing. So I first of all pour water on my hair, like just to make my hair to soak really well with water. I'm using cold water here, so in case you see me my face changing, it's because of the cold water. So I washed my hair like 2 times to really get all the old dirt out of my hair, because my hair was due for a wash day, and my hair felt really amazing. Like, it felt so clean. It felt like there was fresh air entering inside my hair. I'm just joking. Yeah, but my hair felt so good. This is me washing it for the second time, and I noticed that my hair felt so good. It felt so soft. It felt alive. Like, guys, you need to try this. This is a very good way, and it's also help you to save money from buying all these expensive hair shampoos that would damage your hair. Natural hair product is good for your hair.
This is how my hair feels like right now, after I just used only the African black soap shampoo. I have not conditioned my hair yet, which I want to do that. I want to do a deep condition on my hair, which video will be coming up soon. So this is what my hair is now, just only the shampoo I used on my hair, guys. Like, my hair feels so soft right now, like really soft. Alright guys, so I'll see you all in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here, and turn notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I put a new video, and also like and comment and share. So see you guys later. Bye guys.